Salesforce for the construction industry allows us to be contacted by our contacts and our customers in real time. And while we're still on the phone with them, collect that information, log that into Salesforce without having to do that manually, and then work with them whether they're concerned about a project that they have on the horizon or somebody's being sent out to the field. They're able to update those service resources in real time to be able to provide that transparent service. So let's take a look at what that flow looks like from first contact to service resource assignment. So I'm working as a contact center rep here within my construction console when I get a phone call from Lauren. So we can see Lauren Bailey's calling in. I can see her number, her name, and I'll click accept. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to open up her contact record within Salesforce. And so I'll put in some notes. Lauren wants to change the work order, and she wants to make Alan Reed the service resource because they've worked with him before. They feel like he understands their needs more. So we're going to try and see if that's possible. And we're going to end that. And then what that's going to do is that's going to create a call log task. It's going to assign it to Lauren Bailey. So I'll always be able to see that call log here within the activity timeline. Now, a few things before we go on to the field service piece is first, we can see all of the open and closed bids here that are associated with this contact, all cases, assets, and any even chat transcripts. So this is really bringing all of that support and warranty piece from your customer into Salesforce. And then over here on the side under Einstein, what I'm able to see is all the additional contacts that are in the same area as Lauren. So this is using the power of Salesforce Maps. Very powerful, especially when we use this on the lead object to create that region where all of our leads are being housed. Okay, so if we come over to field service, we are now going to look for that latest work order. So we see that site inspection, it's been assigned. We'll click here. And then we see we have our service appointment. It hasn't been assigned to anybody. And instead of going through a very manual process of looking for Alan Reed and assigning him and making sure that he understands everything, what we're going to do is we're just going to click candidates, which is a great quick action that comes with Field Service Lightning. And we can see, we're going to assign it to the service appointment and we're going to get candidates. Now we'll get none as of now, but we're going to relax this scheduling policy a little bit. We're going to go to soft boundaries. And what those scheduling policies do is they essentially they rank certain priorities. So you might have location as a priority. You might have skill as a priority. You might have capacity as a priority. All those scheduling policies do is make sure that you are weighting certain attributes of a service resource above others. So we can see Alan Reed here, and we can see he is good to be on site today at 12:30. So we'll do that. That's a 99 of 100 there. And you can see that it just goes from best to worst. And we'll schedule to Alan Reed. Just take 1 second, and there we go. So what we've done is, in a matter of minutes, in what would have taken countless email threads before, we've gone to first contact to scheduling a service resource. So a very powerful way to automate that field service flow for the construction industry.